Welcome to City Grilling. My name's Rob Vore, and I'm excited about this episode of Bay Scallops. So I have these nice Bay Scallops. I've cleaned them and I've patted them dry to get a lot of the moisture off. So this is a nice pan-seared recipe. I'd highly recommend it, and it's very good. So what I have is some flour, about a half a cup of flour in this bag. And what I need to do is put some seasoning in. I have some seasoned salt. I'll stick that in there like that. And then I have also the Simply Season, an excellent herb recipe. Highly recommend that. You can get the link in this video below with the recipe. I'd highly recommend getting this. It's very good. So I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit first before I put the scallops in here, right? Put that mixed up in with the flour, just like so. And then we're gonna open this back up and stick the scallops inside the bag with that flour. And basically just mix it up really good so all the scallops get coated with the seasoning and that flour. And as soon as I get this thrown in here, I'll show you that. We'll mix it up. Get a little air pocket in that bag, just like so. And go ahead and just mix it up like that. And then we'll get ready to get the skillet ready out on the grill. And these will cook real fast, so you're gonna have to watch them real close. You know, you can do this ahead of time. You can stick this back in the refrigerator until you're ready to get the grill ready. So that'll be perfect, just like that. So I'll get the grill ready. All right, I'm out on the grill. I've got my iron skillet out here on the side burner with clarified butter in it. So I have my Bay Scallops. I've already pulled them out of the bag. And I'm just gonna place them in here. You're gonna hear it sizzle a little bit. Spread them out a little bit, just like so. These will cook really fast. Maybe within a minute, these will be done. I'm gonna mix them and stir them as quickly as I can while I'm out here. So I'll just do that and just mix them up a little bit, make sure they're not sticking together. I can mix my oil around in the pan just like that. And basically sear them up just like so. All right, it's been about a minute. These Bay Scallops look delicious. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.